always, while I'm doing that, hey, Mr. Myers here. We're going to be talking about ratios. Uh, Ratios are basically representations of parts of a whole. So if you want to take a segment of something and show how it relates to the whole thing, this is what you'll be using. Common ratios, you know what they look like. They're going to be, oops, let me get the pen. Sorry, I'm trying to solve Khan this. Khan Academy this as best I can. 4 divided by 16. 4 over 16, that is a ratio. Now remember, up here, I'm going to do a different color. Up here, this is called your numerator. Pardon my handwriting. And down here, that's your denominator. Spelling might be wrong on those, but forgive me, I'm a math teacher, not an English teacher. You can also reduce this, of course, down to, I think it's 1/4. But that's essentially, this board. This is also your part. This is called the whole down here. So if you see something that's maybe written like 50 of 100, then that is going to be the same thing as 50 over 100. Of course, the other thing is that your whole isn't always going to be a nice round number. It could be something random like 84 or something like this. So for this question, I want you to answer, what is the fraction or the ratio going to look like when I say 76 of 84? So the answer is going to be 76 of 84, or 76 over 84. If you want to reduce that, you could pop it in the calculator, or you can figure out what the factors of 76 are, factors of 84 are, and then take those out. Let's say I own this movie theater because I'm awesome like that. And I decide that I'm going to, for the month of, what are we in? August now, when I record this. So we're in the month of August. Let's say I'm putting out these types of movies out. I'm going to put out some thrillers, comedies, horrors, and sci-fi movies. My wife likes the romantic comedies. I'm not really a big fan, sorry. Anyways, we're going to find out what the ratio is of comedies to all the total of the movies. So what do we need to do first? We're going to need to add the total number of the movies to find out what the ratio is of comedies to the total. And I cheated completely earlier, and I think it's still on my calculator here. 41 is the number of movies that I'm going to be letting my theater show. Now I can do the ratio, which is, you tell me. All right, it's going to be 12 over 41. So that's our ratio of comedy. I'm going to try and write this. Sorry, to, what did I say, total? Yeah. We can also do a subgenre to another subgenre, kind of like we did earlier. Let's say I want to know what the ratio is of sci-fi to horror. Yeah, pretty easy there. That's going to be 18 over 7. And that's going to, we'll say that's sci-fi to horror. And those are just some real world examples for you.